everyone, today I wanna make Turkish stuffed eggplant or Karniyarik. Stay tuned with Where is my knife?
Make a hole in the middle of the eggplant. Salt the eggplants and let them rest for 30 minutes to remove the bitterness. Let's make the stuffing inside the eggplant's belly. Chop the onion into small slices. Then chop the green chili pepper. Peel the garlic and chop finely. Sour lemon, tomato, and parsley. Let's cook. Add butter and a little olive oil to the pan. Fry the onion well and then add garlic and green chilies. After sauteing the vegetables for 2 minutes, add the spices: pepper, oregano, black pepper, and salt, and immediately add minced meat. While the meat changes color, add the tomato paste and hot sauce and stir to achieve this attractive color. At the last stage, add tomatoes, lemon juice, parsley and water and let it cook for half an hour on low heat until the flavors mix well. In the meantime, dry the eggplants completely and fry them. When the eggplants are cooked well, open the holes on them. Fill the eggplants with the attractive mixture we made and keep it aside. In a large wok, start frying the tomato paste, add cumin, pepper, oregano, coriander seeds, salt, black pepper, lemon juice and fry for 2 minutes. Then add boiling water. Be sure to use boiling water so that the color of the sauce doesn't become opaque. Pick the stuffed eggplants. For a better taste, use vegetables such as tomatoes, red onions, garlic, and green chili pepper. Let it cook for an hour. At the end, add fresh parsley and that's it. Serve with sauce, vegetables and barberry. Enjoy your life!
çok ممنون for watching this video.